Hey guys, it's Brittany, and this time I am live from my bathroom. And I decided to do it in here because I just felt like standing up. And plus, I wanted you guys to be able to see my hair. So today I'm doing a crochet review and just kind of giving some feedback on this crochet hair that I use. And I am talking about the Beshe Jerry Curl Crochet Hair. One pack does it all. So that is what I have in my hair right now. I've used Beshe before. I love it. It's one of my favorite brands to use. But I know a lot of times when you're in a beauty supply store, you're looking for a crochet style, and maybe you've never done crochets before, but you don't know what the hair is going to look like when it's installed. So that's basically the point of this video, and to see if this is the look that you want to achieve. And if so, then this is the hair and what you need to know about taking care of it and what to expect. I did buy this at my local beauty supply store for $9.99 a pack. Each pack comes with two separate sections within one pack. So it does advertise that one pack will do your whole head. It comes with 6 ounces or 170 grams worth of hair. It is 9 inches folded. It does say that it is 18 inches, but it is 18 inches long. So open, meaning like this. So 9 inches like this, but 18 inches like this. I don't think that was really necessary for them to even mention the 18 inches, because when you put crochets in, you always have to fold it. Now, you can fold it and knot it at different lengths if you need it, if you want it to be a little longer, but you have to do that consistently through your head in order to get that look, and make sure that you really knot it so that this part doesn't slip through. But typically when people install crochets, they fold it in half. So it does say it's 4 bundles in here, and it is, and this is in the color 1B. So that's pretty much all the details. The hair comes in an array of colors. So I got this hair, and I've used Beshe before. Now, the first time I got it, it was pre-looped. This hair is not pre-looped. This is exactly how the hair comes in the pack. Now, I'm used to working with hair that's not pre-looped, so this was not an issue for me. But if you're looking for hair that's specifically pre-looped, Beshe does offer it, but you just have to find it. I find that this brand is not that popular. One of my all-time favorite brands of crochet hair is Free Tress. Anytime my clients ask me what type of hair to get, they don't know where to start, I always tell them Free Tress, and then I go with Model. But I actually really like Beshe better than both of those. Beshe, I'm starting to see it kind of pop up in different beauty supply stores. So when I tell people, you know, these are my top 3 brands, and depending on the curl pattern and what you can find, then this is what you should go with. But I like Beshe for one reason. One, the hair is not too soft. So certain hair, like Expressions hair, is very soft, and to me it does not last. I typically like to keep my crochets for 3 to 4 weeks. My clients like to keep them usually at least 5 to 8 weeks. So I want them to have something that will last, which is why I like to give them my preferred brands of hair to use. So it separates really easily if you want to separate it. Also, because the hair is a little bit, it kind of has like a waxy coating on it, but not an alarming amount of waxiness, but it really keeps it from frizzing. So as you can see, even with me rubbing my hand like this, the hair is not just frizzing into one frizz ball. Even if I separate it here, the hair is not turning into a frizz ball, you know? So that's what I like about Beshe hair. I can keep this hair, and the older it gets, the better it looks, and it looks more and more natural. That's what I really like. Again, this is the Jerry Curl pattern. And this is the 9-inch. Now, the store I went to, they did not have anything longer than this. Typically, I like to do something that's a little bit right here, but I'm okay with it at this length. So it does say 1 pack will do your whole head. I have a pretty small head, and I found that I needed to use 2 packs. So I actually used a pack and a quarter. So I needed 1 little bundle. With 1 pack, had I did my braids bigger, but I like to do my braids smaller so that I have a more natural look and my parts are closer together and it's as full as I want. So I'm going to do a quick spin around so you guys can be like, see the back of my head and I'd be like, but what the back of her head look like though? So this is what my hair looks like. And I'm hoping you guys can see the top. I hope you can see it. You can see about where it's fallen. And I did not cut the hair at all. I installed it just how it was. And like I said, I used a pack and a quarter. So 2 packs will for sure do your whole head. I can't see you needing more than 2 packs. Like, I just cannot. This is, like I said, the Jerry Curl. This has been in for 1 day. So like I said, I don't have any frizz at night. I sleep with it in a pineapple. This is just the texture of the hair. The Jerry Curl 9-inch hair looks like. Again, this hair is not pre-looped. I did not cut it. I have not put any product on it. I installed the hair exactly how it is. My braid pattern, I have about 11 braids across the front. Usually I do about 11 to 12 braids, but I got a little lazy when I got over here. But I have 11 braids in the front, and then I have 4 braids in the back going up. And then I just connected them in a S shape in the middle so that when I pull my hair up in the back, it looks really good. And I don't have that thick, like, you know, I can wear it in the middle. This is what it looks like if I do like a deep part, which I like wearing it on the side, but as it gets older, it'll get bigger. Cute wearing it like this too. Like, I'll make little faux bangs. I think it's cute. But yeah, so hopefully this is a quick video to help you guys see what this hair looks like, because I feel like Beshe be getting slept on, you know. I really like their hair. And if you guys have questions specifically about this hair or anything, put it in the comment section below, and I will try to do some links so that you can get this hair online in case your beauty supply store doesn't have it. And I'll be happy to answer your questions. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that bell notification, because you can't be missing no videos, y'all. I can't keep giving y'all these looks, giving y'all this info, and you're gonna miss it. So hit that bell notification so you get a little notification when I drop a video. So thank you guys for watching, and always much love.